Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making these adorable hot chocolate bombs. I'll be showing you how to make the shells, fill them, seal them, decorate, and then we'll watch them explode. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any time I upload a new video. We'll start off by making our shells, and we'll just chop up some chocolate. Place it into a microwave-safe bowl. We'll microwave the chocolate in 30-second increments, stirring in between until it's nice and smooth. Place about a tablespoon into each cavity of the mold, and I'll leave a link to the mold in the description down below so you can get one. Spread the chocolate up the sides. We'll gently tap the mold to even everything out. Tip out the excess chocolate. We'll neaten up the edges and then pop that in the fridge for about 5 minutes. Once the chocolate is set, we're going to reinforce the edges, because if the shells are going to break, that's most likely where it'll be. We'll place that back into the fridge for another 5 minutes, and when completely set, we'll gently pull away the edges and pop the shell out of the mold by pushing from the bottom. Alright, let's get to filling. What we'll need is some hot chocolate. I'm using marshmallows, crushed up candy canes, caramel chips, and sprinkles. We'll take 1/2 of the shell, fill it almost all the way with the hot chocolate, In this one I'll be adding mini marshmallows. Now to seal the two shells together, we'll want to heat up a pan. Place 1/2 of the shell gently on the pan to slightly melt the edge. Place it right on top. Seals together perfectly. In the next one, I'll be adding the hot chocolate. And the crushed up candy canes. And finally the hot chocolate with the caramel chips. What would be your favorite filling? Comment down below. Alright, let's get decorating. So here I've just placed the remaining melted chocolate into a piping bag, snipped off the tip. We'll drizzle the top of the hot chocolate bomb. And here I'm sprinkling some Christmas tree sprinkles. That's on the bomb with the marshmallows. I'll sprinkle some candy cane pieces. And some red sanding sugar on the candy cane bomb. And then finally the caramel bomb, I'll be sprinkling some gold sanding sugar. Now let's make this explode. We'll place one of the bombs into a mug. And pour over some boiling milk. And wait for it. An explosion of marshmallows. So there you have it, hot chocolate bombs. So cute, so fun, and of course it tastes amazing. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe down below, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.